Question 1 of this exercise says, get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. So basically we will have to write the algebraic expressions for each of the following cases. Let's start with the first part. It is written subtraction of z from y. So we are subtracting z from y. So it will be y minus z. Be very careful, it cannot be z minus y as we are subtracting z from y. Now let's move on to the second part. 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. So the sum of number x and y can be written as x plus y, and 1/2 of that will be half of x plus y. Now let's move on to the third part. The number z multiplied by itself. So basically we are multiplying z by itself. So it can be written as z into z, which is same as z square. Now let's move on to the fourth part. It is written 1/4 of the product of p and q. So product of p and q can be written as pq, and 1/4 means 1/4. Now let's move on to the fifth part. It is written numbers x and y both squared and added. So basically we are squaring x and we are squaring y, and then we are adding them together. Now in the sixth part it is given number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. So the product of m and n can be written as mn. 3 times means we are multiplying it with 3 and we are adding 5 to that. Now in the seventh part it is given product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So product of numbers y and z can be written as yz, and we are subtracting it from 10. So it can be written as 10 minus yz. Now let's move on to the eighth part. It is given the sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. So the sum of numbers a and b can be written as a plus b, and their product can be written as ab. So we are subtracting a and b, the sum of a and b from their product. So it can be written as ab minus bracket a plus b. So this is how we will write the algebraic expressions for each of the following cases.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.